Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. My name is Theresa and I am so excited because first, it's December. So of course I have to be all decked out in Christmas spirit. And second, we have a collaboration today that we are actively doing a Christmas doll cake challenge. So today you will be seeing a number of doll cakes that we'll be linking below, including Daniel Toro, Serendipity Bakery, and Robin Doucet. So be sure after you watch this video fully, hopefully, please, you will be able to go check out their doll cakes and see if it inspires you to join in on the Christmas holiday fun, whether it's Hanukkah, whether it's any holiday that you celebrate. What we are doing for the month of December is using the hashtag that I'm flashing up on the screen right now. And we're gonna be creating a playlist with any channel that wants to create a doll cake, whatever interpretation that means to you. You'll be seeing some creative entries there, and it's all for fun, and we hope you join in. So let's get started. Let's hit that fast forward button and you'll be able to see a Christmas doll cake, 2 of them, come to life.
Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling. Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. This Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. Dance. We're gonna dance. Have a good time. Dance. All night long, we're gonna dance. And have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling. year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way. And oh, this time of year, we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories.
Thank you so much for joining us today on our channel. Be sure to check out those other channels that we are linking below. We wish you such a wonderful upcoming December, holiday season, Christmas. Really appreciate if you subscribe, hit that like button. Subscriptions are free, so it's our gift to you this December, and have a wonderful rest of the week. Until Buzz with your Cuz on Thursday. Hope to see you there. Bye.
It's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.